You can see this video. I am gradually opening this rising stem gate valve, and you can clearly see the stem is coming up and coming up. You can clearly see.
Okay, this is now full open. This portion is extended. This is now full open. Now if I close it, it is becoming closed. See here, it is coming down. Close, 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 closing, 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 closing.
Now you can clearly see that in closed condition, stem projection is very minimum, and that means the wedge is in closed condition. So from the video you have clearly seen that in case of rising stem, stem goes up and comes down. In closed condition it comes down. You can see this is the closed condition. Stem has come down and wedge is here in closed condition, and it is open condition. You can see in open condition stem is more projected and wedge comes up. So this is open condition. That means for a rising stem gate valve, from outside visually you can see whether the valve is closed or valve is open. If valve is closed, then stem projection is minimum, you can see here, and if valve is open, then stem projection is maximum. So from outside, just by visually you can see whether the valve is open or closed. This is an advantage of rising stem gate valve. Visually you can see whether the valve is in closed condition or in open condition. If the stem projection is minimum, then it is in closed condition. If the stem projection is maximum, then it is in open condition. So from outside you can clearly see whether the valve is open or closed. This is called rising stem gate valve or outside screw and yoke type. The screw is here. When we rotate the hand wheel, then this screw rotates and this stem is raised up and the wedge is raised up and valve will be in open condition. You have seen clearly one rising stem gate valve, and you have already seen how the stem portion is projected over the hand wheel. In case of open condition it is more projected, and in case of closed condition it is very less projected. But in case of non-rising stem gate valve, there will not be any projection over the hand wheel. There will not be any projection of stem over the hand wheel in closed condition as well as in open condition. So from outside it will not be possible to say whether the valve is in open condition or in closed condition. Now you can clearly see the mechanism of a non-rising stem gate valve. In case of non-rising stem gate valve, in closed condition and in open condition, stem does not come up. Stem remains in its same position at hand wheel. Only the difference is, in case of non-rising stem gate valve, this wedge is having female thread inside and this stem is having male thread outside. So when it is closed, when we rotate the hand wheel, that means stem, then due to threading action, this wedge comes down. While rotating the hand wheel in reverse direction, then due to this threading action, this wedge comes up. That's why this non-rising stem gate valve is called inside screw and yoke type, whereas rising stem gate valve is called outside screw and yoke type gate valve. So no portion of the stem will be projected over the hand wheel in case of closed condition or in case of open condition. So for a non-rising stem gate valve, from outside you will not be able to see whether the valve is open or closed. So stem will not be projected over the hand wheel in open condition as well as in condition. From outside it will not be possible to say that whether the valve is open or closed condition. That's why this valve is called inside screw and yoke type, whereas rising stem gate valve is called outside screw and yoke type. You can see here inside screw is there in wedge. That's why this non-rising stem gate valve is called inside screw and yoke type.